green tomatoes. I don't know if I've made them before, so I thought, let's make them and see what happens. And if I made them before, oh well, this is the second clip. So I'm on this little vibe right now with Creole cooking, Appalachian foods, and I got a couple of cool recipes that I'm going to share with you that are really cool and are really tasty and delicious and probably something you've never seen before. So I have my gumbo cooking. It's almost done, and it's so delicious. All the flavors, they're marrying each other. So, okay, here we go. I'm going to switch up on my glasses and put my granny glasses on. Yep, my little granny glasses on. Okay, so with the fried green tomato, you're going to be doing a dredge. And then you're going to do a dredge in some all-purpose flour, which is, you know, the best thing to use. And then, actually, I'm going to do like, let's see, 1/3 cup. We're going to dredge it in this, and then I'm going to do like a half all-purpose flour and half cornmeal. So it's 1 to 1. I don't know if you can see that. 1 to 1. So make sure. And you know, this kind of breaks the rules with those culinary gurus out there that say you never put cornmeal when you're frying. Yes, you do. Fried green tomatoes, you do. And then I have panko crumbs. So I'm going to put, I'd say about another 1/3 of that. Okay. Okay, and that's heating up. Make sure it's heating up. I'm going to put some salt and pepper in my dredge. Lots of salt and pepper in your dredge. Okay. And then I'm going to mix it up like so. Okay. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and sneak in some smoked paprika. I just like it. And you don't have to put it in there if you don't want to, just a little bit. Just kind of mix that up like that. Okay. And then I'm going to take this, mix it up, mix up those corn, and this is going to be your final coating. And then I'm going to put some Parmesan cheese in there. Yeah. That's going to be yummy. And some more salt in there. Nice big pinch of salt. And some pepper in that as well. And just kind of mix that up. And then I have a little bit of garlic because I kind of want that little garlicky. I just put a little bit of that in there. A little bit. I have a teaspoon. And then I have an egg and some egg whites. Mix that up. And then I have like about 1/3 cup of kefir. Now you could use buttermilk. Buttermilk is good. So I've been using kefir because it's got probiotics in it. It tastes just like buttermilk to me. Okay. That aside. Yeah, put a little bit of salt in there. Because I want to make sure. And that should be nice and creamy. You see that? See that? And then I have some green tomatoes out of my garden. You just take it and you just carefully slice it. Use your knuckles as a guard. And then the last one, I just kind of do like that. Just cut it like that. And you can salt them if you want, but I'm not going to. There's plenty of salt going on over here. So I'm going to take these, I'm going to dredge them like so. Okay. Dredge them. Take that excess. I'm going to dip them in my egg mixture. Then I'm going to put them in my Panko. Take this. You always keep one hand clean, but hey, whatever. You use your tongs. Stick them in there. Make sure that the oil's at a hot point, meaning that it's almost going to smoke up. So, but then you kind of want to, you know, I play with it so that it can go up and down and do its thing. Oops. Well, I'm just being a little sloppy here, but you kind of get the idea. I'm telling you, these are so delicious. You can put them on hamburgers. You can just eat them just like that with a glass of white Mon Chéri wine Vino Blanco. I'm telling you, they're delicious. They're hecka good. So, here we go. Flip it over. I'm going to lower that because I don't... So, this oil's pretty hot, so I'm going to lower it a little bit so it doesn't... So you don't burn your beautiful fried green tomatoes. And you can rob these out of the garden. Put them in that last mixture. God. I'm telling you, they're so yummy. And then it's good to have two tongs, right? I'm just saying. Good to have two tongs. So, here we go. Nice, beautiful, crispy tomato fried green, and they should be crunchy, crispy, and crunchy. So you just kind of fill it up. Make sure you have enough flour. Probably need to make some more dredged flour. And then this is my egg mixture. And then you take your egg mixture and put in your panko and your breadcrumb mixture. What do you serve it with? Oh, ranch dressing. It's the best thing you can serve it with. Yes. And you just lay it on a rack. Let it cool. Let the oils, excess oils come out of it. We gotta try this, right? Let me get a fork. Oh yeah, these are good. So I'm gonna take this one out. This one's pretty much done. Telling you, fried green tomatoes. Brings out a little tang in there. You'll like them. Serve them as an appetizer. You put them in your hamburgers if you're grilling. And serve them with a little bit of ranch dressing. I got a little bit of that smoked paprika. So delicious. Okay, just wanted to show you that right now. And I have couple cool videos that I'm going to show you in the next one, which is going to be frog legs. Fried frog legs. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.